Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here, and as promised, I am back today with the second half of my projects that I made for the Trick or Treat Halloween swap hosted by Lacy from the Cheeky Bum. And the first project was my Trapper Keeper, which I will just show you right quick here, and I'm going to try to link the video below to this project. And today I have the second half, and this is my 3D coffin box and all of the goodies that I made to go with it. As I said, this is a swap hosted by Lacy from the Cheeky Bum, and for this part of the swap we were required to make the 3D coffin. We were required to make a Mendex card, 2 handmade embellishments, a sequin mix, a charm dangle, and a shaker. Yeah, I couldn't fit everything into the box. I know some people have been able to, but I couldn't. I'm a little bulky in my goodies, I guess. But the bonus for that is my swap partner is going to get this really cute zipper pouch with a couple of goodies in there. So before I get into that, let me just show you the paper collections that I used. So I did use some of the paper from this Graphics 45 Charmed collection. And I absolutely love this collection. Oh man, it makes some great mini albums and other projects, and it's just got such pretty vibrant colors in it. And I used a number of sheets from the coordinating solids, which really aren't solids, as you can see. They actually have prints on them. And this one's also called Charms, but it is the solid companion packet. I also used some paper from this Park Lane Boo collection, and I actually got this paper collection from Lacy. She included this as the store-bought goodie in the summer swap that she sent to me, because she and I were partners for the summer vibe swap hosted by Sharon from Cheap to Chic and Carrie from Double Click Connect. So this was one of the goodies that I got from Lacy from that swap. So I used some paper from there, and I also used a number of stickers from the sheets, came from the Graphic 45 Charm collection as well. Okay, so those are the paper collections I used, and of course I used some other goodies as well, but yeah, so that's that. So let's start out by taking a peek at my box. As with my Trapper Keeper that had the giant spiderweb portion on it, this was actually there's a part of it here too, and I actually made it to go on this box. And after I trimmed off what I didn't need, I used that on the Trapper Keeper, so I got double duty out of it, and I made that on my Cricut machine. So that was really fun, and I am using some holographic paper from Cricut. I believe that's the Cricut holographic paper. I have decorated up the front with a number of dewdrops from Double Click Connect. I have some chipboard pieces here. I do have other dies that I get from Temu and AliExpress and a variety of other places, and that's where this creepy hand came from, and this spider, and I can't remember if, uh-oh, here comes Kiki. Okay, you checking everything out, little boy? Check it out and pass on by. Go on. Yeah, so I can't remember if this piece here came from KS Craft or if this was a Temu die, but I thought it was pretty cool because it looks like creepy torn up paper. Go on, Kiki, go on, go lay down somewhere. I also have this popped up word here. This is from KS Craft, and I'm using orange foam in the back and just plain black cardstock on the front. This bat came from the Dollar Tree, and it actually had like a hair clip on the back of it, but I took the clip off. I did use some to decorate my little spider, and in order to get my little spider web string right here, what I did was I just made some hot glue in a string, and then I topped it off with silver stickles, so it's kind of got some shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see that. And behind here I've got some of the black mesh with the orange glitter spider web from the Dollar Tree. I've got some fiber fill back in there. It's supposed to be like spider web, but it's fiber fill for making pillows. And I have a very large black spiderweb rosette, and you can't really see it because I've got so much stuff layered up on it, but the rosette's like this big, and it's huge. And then I use something called Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray in the color Frost. And before I put all this together, I sprayed the spider web so it's got a kind of a shimmery, glittery look to it there. So that's the front. On this side, I did include the handle, and the video did show to put the handle on. Oh, I think I forgot to tell everybody. Yeah, so the instructions on how to make this box are actually from a video that was supplied to us by Lacy, and it's from the YouTube channel Hey It's Ro, R-H-O, and it's called the Coffin Box Tutorial, and I will try to link that in the video below. So if you want to make one of these, it really was easy. It's a lot easier than it looks. That's where the video came from. But anyway, hers showed a handle on here, and some people are not putting the handle on, but I kind of liked it, and then I used that as an opportunity to attach a couple of little dangles that I made. So we have one here with the little spider, we have one here with the black coffin, and here a little black kitty, and then I've got some orange marbled beads on there. I took some more of that mesh and just tied a little bow of it there, as well as a bow with some ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree. And then on this side, I used my chiffon ribbon in the rusty orange color that I got from Temu. Made a little bow there. And for my closure, I put a little brad in there. And I had this button zipper pull in my stash, and I just glued one of the glittery spiders on there. So what you do is you just pull that up. So that opens up, and here are some of my goodies. So I did include a little sweet treat, and that is a little candy bracelet. And I just made a little simple bag topper by folding over a piece of pattern paper there, made a little double bow, and included a little spider ephemera. So that's cute. Then, let's see, what else do I have in here? I have my sequin mix, which was one of our requirements. And this is really cool with the gold and the green balls. I've got spider webs and spiders and pumpkins. We've got ghosties and eyeballs and little cauldrons in there. We've got orange, purple, white. Oh, it's just a cute mix. And then I made the little bag topper, and this is a KS Craft die. I think is there something else? Yeah, okay. And then I made this shaker, which was one of our requirements, and it is a little tombstone. I am using the Cricut iridescent paper there. I've added another of the silver spiders on there. Well, actually 2 spiders. And the sequin mix that's in here is part of this mix here. Well, I had this little box in my stash, but I decorated it up with some of the matching paper from the collection. I made one of these crepe paper rosettes here and topped it off with one of the double skull bows from KS Craft. And then inside, and many of you have probably already seen my dangle because I did feature this in a video already. It's got lots of beads on here, some of which actually came from Lacy. I did put the word spooky here, and a number of these beads come from the Happy Crafter shop, which I featured in a video. And this is a clock cabochon from the Happy Crafter shop. But what I did was I inked it up with some black ink. I put a layer of, what do they call that? Glossy accents. Let that dry till it got tacky. Then I added a spider sequin mix, sequin there, and then I topped it off with some more glossy accents. So that is my dangle for my swap partner. And then we were also, let's see, what else did we have to do? We had to do the coffin, oh, the MDC, or Memory Dex card, 2 embellishments. Okay, then that's what's in here. So let me get this open. And I had these really cool cellophane spider bags. oh, it didn't want to open there. So let me just slide this out real quick so you can see. These are 2 more of my crepe paper rosettes that I made. Now these I fluffed up, and then I put the sequins all the way around the edges, and then just added a little bit of ephemera there. If my swap partner wants to decorate them further, she's free to do that. But I think these are really cute. I love the purple. Very cute. So those are my my embellies. And then here's my Memdex card. Okay. Oops. Get that out. It's in there tight. It's a big one. Okay. So, just trying to think, what Memdex did I use? I think the Memdex form itself is just a plain one with a little scoopy edging on the back side there, but probably came from Temu. So anyway, it's got a number of layers here. You can see I'm using some more of that rust-colored chiffon. I used some ephemera here, and this one's got the witch with the big moon, and I glittered it up with some stickles. I have some little orange pumpkins, and let's see, where did I get these from? I don't remember where I got them from. But anyway, so yeah, there's some little orange pumpkins behind the glittery black cat, and I got this die from Temu. I did put some of the iridescent green Cricut paper behind so that the eyes and the nose kind of glitter out there. I am using another one of the tombstone dies that I got. Now this one was a little bit unusual. See, I thought it was actually going to cut out, you know, a whole piece that went around here, but actually it cut out each individual little piece. So I had to glue all of those on, and then I added some stickles on to just give them some shimmer and shine. I did add on this, oh, actually part of the die set were these skulls, the crow, the RIP. I added in another one of the little bats that I cut the ring part off from the Dollar Tree. I did cut out a little spider and add that there. Behind here, I have a large orange rosette, and I believe that is a KS Craft die. And I've got some yellow snow tulle that I got from the Dollar Tree. And peeking out here is a large metal charm hand, skeleton hand that I got from Temu, and just a couple little black flatbacks down there. So, oh, let's take a peek at the back. Forgot about that. So I did put a piece of ephemera here. I added a little bow right there, and I have a little trap door here. So I have this mechanism where you flip this up and you open up the door, and I'm just going to cover up my personal information, but I have all of my stuff printed here and just a couple other little pieces of ephemera there. So that is the back of the Memdex card. So that was really fun. I enjoyed making that. So these are all of the goodies that I made for the second part of the Trick or Treat Halloween Group Swap by Lacy from the Cheeky Bum. And I hope that my swap partner enjoys this part. Like I said, you make one, you get one back. So I will get back a coffin from someone else. And for my Trapper Keeper, I will get back a Trapper Keeper from somebody else. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything, you have any questions, you want to look at something a little more closer, or find out where I got any particular die or material from, just put me a note in the comments below, and I will be happy to get back with you and let you know. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.